In industrial automation, cable selection and arrangement are vital for ensuring stability and efficient maintenance. Two common methods are using multi-core cables with terminal junction boxes and branching cables to instruments, or directly connecting cables to the instruments. Using multi-core cables offers several advantages, such as space and cost efficiency, by reducing the number of individual cables. It simplifies maintenance by centralizing connections in a junction box, making troubleshooting easier. This setup is also flexible, allowing for easy reconfiguration in dynamic environments. However, it introduces more complexity, potential interference, and longer installation times, especially in large systems. On the other hand, direct cable connections are simpler, reduce installation time, and lower the risk of interference. They're great for small systems that need quick deployment, but they can complicate maintenance and limit expandability over time. Choosing between these two methods depends on the system's size, complexity, and future needs. Multi-core cables are best for larger, evolving systems, while direct connections suit smaller, straightforward setups.